Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little quick tutorial on how to make dog banners using these stencils that I purchased from Amazon. So I know that a couple years ago I did a video on this using my own patterns, but I thought I would share this cool tool with you today. If you guys are still interested in my patterns, because this one's I have them from extra small all the way to extra large. I have them in that size. Stencils only come in small, medium, and large. So if you want a smaller size or like a bigger size, I will put this up on my shop if you guys want to purchase the templates. So let me know in the comments. So yeah, but anyways, so yeah, I found these collar bandana stencils on Amazon. I will link it in the video description for you guys to check them out if you're interested. Just again, keep in mind that this comes in small, medium, and large only. So I think I'm gonna end up using the medium because that's normally the size that I use when I make my brother's girlfriend's dog Layla, her little outfits. So yeah, they're not, I don't think they're numbered, but it's kind of obvious though to tell the size though. So small, medium, large. But yeah, anyway. Okay, so I have both pieces cut out, the front and the back, but before we sew this together, I always like to add fun little trims on mine. So on the main piece, we're gonna quickly sew the trim on here. So from this corner to the other corner, we're gonna cut and sew the trim. And always keep in mind that it goes inwards to the right side. Like that. Okay, so once you have your trim sewn, we're going to now place right sides together and sew from this corner all around to this corner, leaving an opening on the side here so we could flip it right sides together. But yeah, when you're sewing, just be careful with the trim though. You don't want to get the pom-pom. But yeah, let me quickly pin this just so it can make it easier on me. But yeah, that's pretty much. Okay, so I quickly went onto my ironing station. I pressed on the bandana and I folded the ends inward. So we're gonna do a top stitch all around so we could close the opening, and after that we're going to fold corner to corner and sew across, creating a little casing for you to be able to put in the collar in there. So yeah, let's do the top stitch first though. So yeah, here's your little dog bandana, super easy. Again, like I said, I will link the little stencil templates in the video description. And if you guys want to purchase and see a tutorial using my patterns instead, let me know, because I know the video that I filmed is kind of old, so I want to refilm it again. But yeah, I have mine from extra small all the way to extra large. And yeah, and for some reason I still like mine better, but I wanted to give you guys an option because I know I did get asked multiple times about my patterns and stuff, and I know some people like these little stencils. So yeah, just in case you guys want this instead, but if not, let me know about my patterns. But yeah, if I get a picture of Layla, I will post it as well, her wearing the little collar. So yeah, this is so cute.